Sparky Sparks here. I'm reviewing a new wig. This is called Frozen Sapphire is the color. It's amazing. This wig is by Rene of Paris and the style is called Luxe Sleek. So pretty. Lace front. The styling, it is heat friendly, so you can go 275 to about 300 if you want to add heat. She's a little more dense than the wigs that I've worn, you know, some of my wigs. So, but I don't feel any permatease. It's just really soft, really pretty. Let me show you the back. So pretty. These blue sapphire colors. Really, I love it with my eyes. I love it with the black top. And I love how this goes kind of in. I think I'd wear more silver instead of gold, but so pretty. She's so pretty. Again, Rene of Paris, Sleek, Luxe Sleek, and this color, Frozen Sapphire. My goodness, a new gray. I think my first gray wig. Let me know your thoughts.